Hello class intermediate student. This is a intermediate first year previous year question paper of the year 2016. Okay, is it clear? So in this video I'm going to talk about our mathematics paper 1 maths A, which is in English version, which is also present in Telugu version also. So in description there's a link you can check out. Otherwise, if you are looking for the other subjects question answer, previous year question paper, important question answer paper, so in description is a link you can go and check out, right? So let's come to the topic here. Okay, so this paper contained 75 marks, and this is a 3 hours paper, and in this paper divided into 3 parts: section A, B, C, and this question carries 20 marks. One question carry 2 marks. It means that 10 question into 2, 20 marks. This is a section 1, and here we can get our first question. Okay, and this is our second question: find the dominance of the real value of the functions. Okay, now function is very important chapter. This is very easy chapter also. If you understand the sets in 10th class, then it is easy. This is a question number 3. So the system of forms equations. This is a defined triangular matrix. Triangular matrix is very easy. It is not a different. Okay, now if you read it matrix very well, it is, then you will understand. If you didn't read, upper triangular, like upper triangular and lower triangular. Okay, now upper triangular, lower triangular, I hope you know. Otherwise you can just go and watch our video of matrix. In description I will provide a link also. Otherwise in video also we can click or watch that. Okay, this is the fifth one: find the unit vector in the direction of a plus b. Okay, you have to find ab. Nothing, this is very easy. You have to add both of them. Okay, we have to add same as it is. Okay, and this is question number 6: find the, okay, where find the vectors equation of the line joining points that's and that's. Okay, we have to find the vector of equation line joining this and this. Okay, question number 7: if the vector alpha I equals to minus 3i plus equals to n here perpendicular to each other, find alpha. You have to find alpha. This is also easy. Question number 8: if alpha a plus b alpha equals that's the pi equals to 4, then prove that this is the important questions. What is become? Okay, provement question is very important. Evaluate theta from the this one. Okay, this is also okay. And if sine of h equals to x by 3, then prove that x plus this one. Okay, so these are some questions which we can see also. Okay, now so according to you can just see that. Okay, I hope it is clear for you and you don't have any doubt. Then come to the section B, and when you come to the our section B here, it's carry 4 marks. It means that one question carry 4 marks, then 5 question carry 4 marks, then 5 for the 20 marks. Okay, we have to write any 5 question in this one. So this is the first question. Okay, then you have to show this one. This is a identity matrix of order of 2 by 2. I means identity, identity nahi, unit matrix or identity matrix you can say, which is totally cross 0, that's the 1 0, so 0 1. Otherwise if you want to write more, you can write like this: 0 0 1. This is the unit matrix. Okay, so that the line joining pairs of this one. Question number 12 you can see. Then after 13, okay, 4 points is given. You have to find the coordinate. Then question number 14 here: if the dominators of the 0, prove that. This is a 15 question. Okay, 16 question. If you see this type of mathematics, you are going to be fear. Oh my god, what is this? So don't worry. If you read and write well, if you study 10th class as well as it's possible for you, like trigonometry and last chapter, whatever it is, then maths is very easy for you. I know that you will get some difficulty in this one. Section C here, long question answer, and here you can see if alpha f of a equals to answer g of f b by c and other bisection. Okay, you can see this. Question number 19. This is a very easy question, mathematical induction question. Definitely they will ask you one question in the long or short. Okay, and this is our matrix question. Okay, this is a matrix question. Okay, this is a matrix question. A b c equals to given this one. You have to find 2ab plus square. Okay, question number 21. Find the following systems of equation by using matrix inverse method. Okay, you have to find the matrix information, then you have to find. Okay, 22. This is also very easy question. This is very easy. 23 and 24. Okay, I hope till here it is clear for you. So well, our 2016 paper maths. Okay, part A is clear here. In the next video we are going to talk about part B. Okay, whatever in this one, everything is clear. If you want to looking for the important question of mathematics and other subjects, so you can check out our channel, and description I will provide link. If it is not, link is there, then you can go through the our video playlist and you can check out from there. Okay, right. And if you want to join with this channel, you can join. You will get all the information about TS and AP, and mostly intermediate first year and second year, and also we are going as a 10th class also. Mostly our thing is to cover from the 8th to 12th year. Okay, right. So I hope is it clear for you. So we will meet our next video. Jai Hind.